Hello friends, latest notification of IGNOU. The 37th convocation of the university will be conducted in IGNOU headquarters at Convention Center, IGNOU campus, Maidangarhi, Delhi 110068 on 20th February 2024. Along with the selected IGNOU regional centers across the country. The Honorable Vice President of India has kindly consented to be the chief guest on the occasion at headquarters New Delhi. The regional centers will invite the eligible students who have paid the requisite fee by 10th February 2024 and given their consent to attend the convocation. The regional center may decide about the programs for which students are to be invited in the convocation. The degrees, diplomas, certificates can be collected in person from the next day of the convocation from the respective regional centers by the following students or will be sent by the concerned regional centers by post to the address of the students mentioned in the online portal. The eligible students who have paid the fees are 600 of the regional centers where convocation is not to be held. The eligible students who have been invited to attend the convocation but could not attend, and the eligible students who could not be invited. Online portal for registration and remitting the requisite fee will be remain open till 10th February 2024. The eligible students who have not paid the requisite registration fee of Rs 600 per certificate online for the 37th convocation so far may pay the requisite fee through online portal. Here the link is given. Type the link on Google Chrome. Then this type of page will available. Please read the instruction carefully. Then click on tick box. Choose I agree and proceed option. For new student registration, click here this option. Then put the enrollment number such as 1969205119. Then click on verify student details. Then automatically applicant name will appear. Then give the email. Then give mobile number. Then give the password. Then give the confirm password. Then give the secure code or captcha. Then click the submit button. Here some error. Confirm password and password must be same. Okay. Then give the exact password on confirm password also. Then click on submit button. Here the username password successfully created. Then click on OK. Here the username is your enrollment number and password that is given by you. Then click on next option. Put the enrollment number, give the password, then give the captcha. Then click on login option. Here fill up the here student details displays, as well as we have to fill up the present address. If the present address is same as address mentioned above, then please select the checkbox. Then automatically the address is abstracted. Then upload the IGNOU identity card here. After uploading the documents, please tick the declaration box Then click on Save and Generate Payment Link. After that, payment link option is available. Then we have to pay requisite fee. Then your process is complete. This is your complete information for online session, IGNOU 37th convocation, and also procedure for collecting degrees, diplomas and certificates. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe it and share it. Thank you.